Here's a Pixel update, software update, big Pixel update. Lets you type to talk during phone calls. I did see this headline. Why would you want to do this, Will?
I'm not too sure either. I really don't know. But there's a long video explaining it.
Mm-hmm. So it's live caption. Your Pixel will say what you type.
Like, I really don't know.
Oh, wait a second. So are you hearing the call, or is the call also being transcribed into text?
So it's also being transcribed.
So you can have it muted. That's the beauty of it, right? You're in a noisy environment, or you got to, like, in a meeting, you know, I got to take this call. Well, now you can stay put where you are because you're not bothering anyone. I'm saying if you don't have a headset or something, you're not making any noise.
But it's transcribing what you're saying too?
No, because you can't make any noise. It's transcribing the person that can talk.
You're texting?
And you're typing.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay.
So you can be silent in your environment.
That makes more sense.
So, like, somebody calls you here, but I'm, like, super concentrating, and you can still take the call. Now, the latency is really going to matter here because people are going to be like, what the hell is taking so long?
Well, they've been pretty good with transcribing live.
I know.
And I like the fact that maybe in this video, they kind of give you options so you can just pick. Well, this one you're texting, but maybe in like a... Okay, they don't show it. But basically, they have options for you to choose. Join like a meeting. It's like, yeah, okay, I'll join this meeting, or no.
And you can either talk or type to participate.
Exactly.
Google's latest feature drop for its Pixel phone supercharges its live caption feature for phone calls, allowing you to avoid having to speak entirely. Now, we should also mention this can be helpful for people with disabilities, right? They can now participate in a phone call without any special equipment.
Yeah.
If they have that any type of disability that would stop them from doing so otherwise. Google's live caption feature could previously turn incoming phone call audio into text, but it's now being updated to work the other way around. So you'll be able to type text and have Google software read it out in the phone call. So that person says something, that's so crazy. The other person will be like, hey, how are you doing? And then there'd be like a split second and they'd be like, I'm doing fine. How about you?
It's not even your voice. It's just like a robot.
It will be. It'll be a Google Assistant. That's kind of cool. I don't know. I don't know immediately that I would ever use it, but it's kind of cool, the technology.
Yeah. I think it could be, you're right, like accessibility.
For sure, accessibility. Absolutely. Cool.